than
For your mobile data,
more or less
for transportation,
more than or equal to.
less than, more than or equal to. Very casual.
Oh, have you noticed this? I am just estimating. It is called inequalities. In matrix algebra, which referred to as mathematical expressions that compare two values, indicating that one value is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to the other. They are used to represent a range of possible values rather than a single solution. Linear inequalities are mathematical expressions that compare two values, indicating that one value is greater than, less than, greater than, or equal to, or less than or equal to the other. They are used to represent a range of possible values rather than a single solution.
Linear inequalities is also used for solving and modeling real-life world problems and can be related in industrial engineering.
They help us understand and quantify relationships between variables, make informed decisions, and optimize outcome involving real-life application in terms of resource allocation, production planning, economic analysis, and engineering design.
A manufacturing company produces two types of products, headlight and cover. Each part requires processing on two machines, Machine 1 and Machine 2. The time required for each product on each machine is given in the table. The machines Machine 1 and Machine 2 are available for at most 40 hours and 30 hours per week, respectively. The company wants to determine the optimal production plan to maximize its weekly profit. Let X and Y represent the number of units of products, headlight and cover to be produced, respectively. Now, in our objective function, we have the maximized profit is equal to 10x plus 15y. The constraints, machine 1 constraints 2x plus y less than or equal to 40. Machine 2 constraint x plus 2y less than or equal to 30. The non-negativity constraint x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. To solve this problem, we'll use a graphical approach. Step 1. Graph the constraints. Since machine 1 is 2x plus y less than or equal to 40. To graph this, first, graph the line 2x plus y is equal to 40. Find the intercepts. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 40. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 20. Now, in machine 2, x plus 2y less than or equal to 30. Similarly, graph the line x plus 2y is equal to 30. Find the intercepts. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 15. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 30. Now, here's the graph.
Step 2. Let's identify the feasible region. Using the graph, the feasible region is the area where all the shaded regions overlap. In this case, it's a quadrilateral with vertices at 0, 0, 0, 15, 10, 10, and 20, 0.
Step 3. Evaluate the objective function at the corner points. Now, let's calculate the profit at each corner point. At 0, 0, the profit is equal to 10 times 0 plus 15 times 0 is equal to 0. At 0, 15, the profit is equal to 10 times 0 plus 15 times 15 is equal to 225. At 10, 10, the profit is equal to 10 times 10 plus 15 times 10 is equal to 250. At 20, 0, the profit is equal to 10 times 20 plus 15 times 0 is equal to 200. Step 4. Determine the optimal solution. The maximum profit of 250 is achieved at the point 10, 10. For the conclusion, to maximize the profit, the company should produce 10 units of product headlight and 10 units of product cover.